What if I told you that building muscles are easier than you think? In this video, we will go over the most important tips to build muscle, and be sure to watch till the end because there's an extra bonus for you. Firstly, gaining muscle isn't just about vanity. According to a study in the Journal of Clinical Investigation, it also helps enhance metabolic health and lower the risk of chronic diseases. So, how do you capitalize on these benefits? It's time to shed light on the science of muscle growth. Contrary to popular belief, muscle growth isn't merely about lifting hefty weights. It's a complex process involving a series of cellular reactions. Picture this. Every time you challenge your muscles during a workout, micro tears occur in your muscle fibers. It might sound alarming, but these tiny damages are actually catalysts for muscle growth. Through an animated illustration, it's clear that your body, in its effort to repair these tears, builds stronger muscle fibers, which leads to muscle growth. But it doesn't stop there. The timing and intensity of your workouts play a critical role in enhancing muscle hypertrophy, aka muscle growth. By strategically planning your workouts and ramping up the intensity, you unlock the potential for exponential muscle growth. Now let's dive into the role of genetics in muscle growth. You've probably heard people say, he's just naturally muscular. Well, there's some truth to that. Genetics play a crucial role in determining your muscle growth potential. Picture an animation of DNA strands, the blueprint of life. Certain genetic factors, such as the size of your muscle fibers and your hormone levels, can influence how easily you gain muscle. However, remember, genetics is not destiny. With the right training and nutrition, you can still optimize your muscle growth. So, don't let your genes deter you from achieving your fitness goals. Next, nutrition plays a pivotal role in muscle development. According to the International Society of Sports Nutrition, you should aim for up to 2.2 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight. Carbohydrates fuel your workouts, fats support hormonal functions, and staying hydrated is vital as dehydration can compromise your performance. For optimal results, your workout should incorporate both compound and isolation exercises. Research supports compound movements, like squats, for promoting hormonal responses that facilitate growth. Progressive overload, which involves gradually increasing the intensity of your workouts, can also contribute to sustained muscle growth over time. Age is another crucial factor in muscle gain. As we age, our muscle mass naturally starts to decrease. This process, known as sarcopenia, begins as early as our 30s. Research published in the Journal of Cachexia, Sarcopenia, and Muscle suggests that resistance training can significantly slow down this process. However, it's worth noting that muscle gain might be slower as you age due to a decrease in anabolic hormones. But don't let this discourage you. Remember, fitness is a lifelong journey, and it's never too late to start. Now let's take a look at this short clip showing a timeline of age and muscle growth. But what about recovery? It's just as important as the workout itself. Research in the Journal of Strength and Conditioning shows that sufficient sleep and proper rest days are crucial for muscle repair. Active recovery and post-workout nutrition also play significant roles in muscle growth. Lastly, certain supplements can give your muscle-building efforts a boost. Whey protein helps meet daily protein requirements, creatine enhances strength, and BCAAs can reduce post-exercise soreness. In summary, muscle growth involves more than just heavy lifting. It's a multifaceted process that requires a strategic workout plan, optimal nutrition, progressive overload, proper recovery, and the right supplements. Don't forget to hit like if you're ready to level up your fitness game, subscribe for more insights, and share your thoughts in the comments. Remember, your journey to a stronger, fitter you is just beginning. Keep pushing, keep evolving, and conquer new heights in your fitness journey. Now, let's uncover some common mistakes people make when trying to gain muscle. First, people often neglect the importance of a balanced diet. Remember, it's not just about eating more, it's about eating right. Consuming the right amount of proteins, carbs, and fats is essential for muscle growth. Second, overtraining and not allowing enough time for recovery. Your muscles need time to repair and grow after a workout, so make sure you're giving them enough time to do so. Skipping on recovery can lead to injuries and setbacks. And third, ignoring the importance of proper form during workouts. Incorrect form not only reduces the effectiveness of your workouts, but also increases the risk of injury. So, always ensure that you're performing each exercise correctly. Avoiding these mistakes can help you achieve your muscle gain goals more effectively. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks in our next video. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. In conclusion, gaining muscle is a journey that requires dedication, proper nutrition, and effective workouts. You cannot expect to see results overnight. Remember, consistency is key in muscle gain. It's not about going hard for a few days and then taking a break. It's about incorporating these habits into your lifestyle. Listen to your body and adjust your routine as needed. If you're feeling overly sore or fatigued, it might be time to dial back a bit. On the other hand, if you're feeling strong and energetic, it's time to challenge yourself a bit more. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small. Every pound lifted, every extra rep, every small improvement in your form, they all count. Don't get discouraged if you're not seeing huge gains right away. Every step forward is a step towards your goal. Remember, the journey muscle gain is a marathon, not a sprint. Keep pushing, and you'll see results. And as always, make sure to consult with a professional if you have any doubts or concerns. Before we wrap up this informative session on muscle building, don't forget to tap on the like button if you found this information helpful. It really supports our work and helps us create more content like this for you. And while you're at it, why not hit the subscribe button and the bell icon as well? By doing this, you'll get notified every time we post a new video, ensuring you never miss out on our tips and tricks to help you on your fitness journey. Your support means everything to us, and we're grateful for every like, comment, and subscription. So go ahead, click those buttons, and join our growing fitness community today. Thank you for your continued support, and remember, every step forward, no matter how small, is a step towards achieving your fitness goals. Before we officially wrap things up, we have some bonus tips for you to maximize your muscle gains. First of all, remember to incorporate a variety of exercises into your routine. This helps target different muscle groups and prevents your body from getting too accustomed to a particular set of movements. Second, never underestimate the power of stretching. Not only does it help in preventing injuries, but it also increases muscle flexibility, allowing for better performance and muscle growth. Finally, and perhaps most importantly, always keep your motivation high and maintain a positive mindset. Fitness journeys aren't always linear. There will be ups, downs, plateaus, but remember, every rep counts towards your muscle gain goals. Stay committed, stay positive, and you'll see the results you're looking for. Next time, we'll dive deeper into the world of fitness, so stay tuned. But until then, remember, every step forward, no matter how small, is a step towards achieving your fitness goals. Now, let's dive into some common questions that we've received from you, our viewers, about muscle gain. Question 1. How long does it take to see muscle growth? Well, it can vary greatly from person to person. Factors like your starting fitness level, your diet, and the intensity of your workout plan all play significant roles. However, with a consistent routine, most people start to notice changes within 4 to 6 weeks. Next question. What are the best exercises for muscle gain? Compound exercises like squats, deadlifts, and bench press are excellent for building muscle as they target multiple muscle groups at once. But remember, a varied workout routine that challenges your muscles in different ways is key to optimal muscle growth. And finally, how much protein should I consume for muscle growth? This can depend on a variety of factors, including your weight and how much you're exercising. A general guideline is to aim for 1 to 1.6 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight if you're regularly lifting weights. We love hearing from you, so keep the questions coming and we'll do our best to answer them in future videos. Remember, there's no such thing as a bad question when it comes to your fitness journey. As we wrap up this video, it's important to remember that muscle gain is a journey, not a destination. It requires consistency, patience, and dedication. You may not see immediate results, but don't let that discourage you. Every workout, every meal, every good night's sleep is a step towards your goal. Remember, everyone's body is different and results will vary. What works for one person may not work for another. It's all about finding what works best for you and sticking to it. Don't compare your progress to others. This is your journey, and every step you take is a personal victory. We encourage you to share your own muscle gain journey in the comments below. Your story could inspire someone else to start their fitness journey, and we're all here to support each other. Whether you're just starting out or you're an experienced lifter, your experience is valuable to this community. Thank you for watching, and keep pushing towards your fitness goals. Remember, the only bad workout is the one that didn't happen. Stay strong, stay focused, and most importantly, stay positive. Your fitness journey is a marathon, not a sprint. We are here to support you every step of the way.